awardee, Araling Panlipunan awardee, TLE awardee, District Meet Chess first place, Unit Meet Chess first place individual category, Unit Meet Chess second place team category. Wait lang. Unit Meet ay Palarong Oriental Mindoro Chess second place Blitz team category, Palaro Oriental Mindoro Chess third place Standard team category, Athlete of the Year, District Science Quiz Bee first place, District Science Quiz Bee Division Science Quiz Bee first place, District School Press. Ano na ang pangyayari? Basta ako'y nagabasa lamang. Ay hindi ko alam kung napapabilis, napapabagal, nasaan ako.
Ang dami na, puno ng liig.
District School Press Conference Sports Writing, 7th place. District Festival of Talents, Story Tarihawan, 1st place. Division Festival of Talents, Story Tarihawan, 2nd place. District Taguig Salino sa AP, 3rd place. District ICT Summit, 4th place. Drama Corps member,